Hello everybody, and welcome to Wumble's Hive. Got a little bit of a different one for you today, so you'll have to let me know what you think. But doing all this lovely artwork is not getting any books read, so I thought I might try something different. I use Vinted quite a lot, which is an app in England where you can purchase pre-owned and pre-loved goods, and I've always been a little bit jealous of people who get to join up to mystery book deals and boxes and monthly, arrivals that they get to open. So I was mooching about for a little book on Vinted, and I discovered mystery books. Mystery pre-loved books. So I thought, this is fate calling. Let's give it a go. So, we've got a nice cosy candle, we've got a cute fluffy fox, and we've got a cup of tea. Lady Grey. And a mystery book. Now this one is from a user called SJK_LPG. I will drop a link below for anybody who's able to use it on the Vinted app. If you're interested in books, she's got a lot of these all wrapped up nicely, so you've no idea what's coming. Cute little stickers about the book, a little tag telling you what kind of book you're getting. A little bit of information here, not too much. Some of it's seemingly from Goodreads or similar, others are from their own wording by the looks of it, saying that they couldn't put it down, things like that. And you also get a free bookmark. Now we all know why this one attracted me. Bit of moon, bit of water, bit of tree. And I'm just lucky that it came with a book that I'm also interested in. So this one is a cosy murder mystery. The notes on the front say excellent, enjoyable and well written. Great murder mystery if you enjoy a lighter read. So it's a cosy murder mystery, something a little bit chilled out, a little bit relaxing, because it's that type of year. Busy all year. Finally got everything finished. Handed in my artwork that I'd been working on, and now I just want a nice sit down with something chilled, something cozy. I do like a good murder mystery. I like a good thriller. I like a good fantasy. So I saw this one and I thought, go on, we'll have a go with that. So cutely wrapped up with a piece of Hessian string, which I'll save for crafting. A little bit of sellotape on the back here, which I will get rid of so that we can still recycle the paper. So just slightly chop my way in. As you can see, I've not attempted to, we might actually be able to slide it out of the top maybe. Let's give that a go, and then it's less messing for you guys to watch. Alright, so there's the book. It barely looks used, does it? So let's slide this out and see what we're getting. Slightly less wintry than I was hoping. But I like the cover. I like the concept. Something throwing us back to the summer can't go wrong, can it really? Bring back those summer sunshine vibes. So here we go. Victoria Walters, A Fate Worse Than Death, Murder at the Summer Fete, a Deadly End Mystery. The back says, superb sleuthing, Heidi Swain, author of The Secret Seaside Escape. After finding the killer of Lucy Roth 6 months ago, life has settled back to normal for bookshop owner Nancy Hunter and her grandmother Jane. The annual Deadly End Village Fete is just around the corner, and Nancy is delighted when best-selling author Thomas Green agrees to launch his first new novel in 10 years right there. But when a body is discovered at the summer fete, the death scene, mirroring that of Thomas's latest bestseller, Nancy and Jane, along with their journalist friend Jonathan, must play detective once again. The clues are right under Nancy and Jane's noses if only they can find them, because the answer to life's questions is always found in a book. An unputdownable, not sure if that's a word or not, but hey ho, it's written. An unputdownable cosy mystery for fans of Richard Osmond and Rupert Thorogood. So that's where we are at the moment. So I'm going to give this one a read. And the aim, because if I tell you guys I'm going to do it, I will do it, is to get this finished in a month. So we'll be starting it on the 1st of November and we'll be finishing by the 30th. So that is my promise to you. Have you read this one? Don't give the game away if you have, but do tell me if you enjoyed it. If not, I'll give you a little review later on, let you know what I think. Thank you for hanging out, guys. Let me know if you're interested in these kind of videos. It will help me out to get my books read for the year. But if you guys don't want to see, just let me know. And from there onwards, I'm going to say, find something that makes you smile. And as always, be happy.